Hi friends of cocktails! With the year slowly coming to an end, I can't imagine anything better to finish it off than combining two things I love. A classic sour cocktail and champagne. We'll make the Sidecar Royale. It's cocktail time. Sidecar is a true classic cocktail made with cognac, orange liqueur and lemon juice. It has a catchy but probably fake story of how and where it got its name from, and many different versions of the recipe, written down in influential cocktail books from 1919, 1930 and 1948. But we covered all of that when we made a classic and cocktail time versions of the Sidecar. My version used verjuice, an acidic juice from unripe grapes. I'll leave a link to that episode in the description. Today we'll give the Sidecar a royal treatment by adding champagne. You can add champagne to a number of cocktails and turn them into a royale. But with all French ingredients, I think the Sidecar is the perfect choice. What will make this Sidecar Royale a bit special is that the cognac I'll use is also royal. This cognac got its name in honor of the Accord Royal granted to Remy Martin by King Louis XV in 1738, allowing him to plant new wines on his land. It sits between their VSOP and XO products, offering a wonderfully smooth cognac with notes of figs, toffee and oak, thanks to the long and soft barrel toasting of French oak casks, in which the 𝗙𝗶𝗺𝗏 are aged. If you're looking for a nice cognac to enjoy after a festive dinner, this is a great choice. And now, let's go to the cognac region of France to see how this amazing spirit is made.
Kevin, I don't think we can afford that yet.
Huh? You don't have budget to do that yet?
No, not even close. Maybe next year, if enough people subscribe.
Hit that subscribe button and let's make the Sidecar Royale. As always, I already have my glass of choice in the freezer. Today, I'm using a coupe. After I add ice to the shaker, it's time to add the classic Sidecar ingredients, starting with 45 ml or 1.5 ounce of cognac. Follow that with 22.5 ml or 3/4 ounce of triple sec or dry curacao. I'm using Cointreau. And for the sour component, 50 ml or 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. This, together with the orange liqueur, gives the cocktail its distinct citrus profile. We won't add any sweetness or a sugar trim, but we'll add 2 drops of saline solution to enhance the sweetness of our orange liqueur. Drain the ice and shake the cocktail for about 10 to 15 seconds. After getting the chill glass from the freezer, double strain the cocktail to catch any small bits of ice. And now comes the royale part. Top up the cocktail with champagne to create a festive version of the Sidecar. The finishing touch is orange zest over the cocktail. Before I squeeze it and drop it in, I'll make it look a bit like a crown with these scissors. Express, gently drop, and that's it. If you'll be wondering how to use up an open champagne bottle, make this. Sweet citrus on the nose, and just like in the classic Sidecar, cognac and orange notes come to the forefront of the palate. The subtle effervescence from the champagne adds freshness and lightness and brings this classic cocktail into a new dimension. This really is a great way to finish off this amazing year for the Cocktail Time channel. A lot has happened in the last 12 months, including 2 new family members for our crew, setting up a new studio, raising $1,500 for the Movember Foundation, and most importantly, getting incredible feedback from everyone who enjoys the cocktails and all the content you see on Cocktail Time. I'm honored you're joining us on this awesome journey. Enjoy your holidays, and here's to an incredible year coming up. Cheers, Cocktail Time family!